I don't think it was like a uniform way of posting the cars. I don't think it was like all Porsches. For sure, we saw way more Porsches in the main center interior place. I don't know what that is, but the cars outside here is a little bit more diverse. And so I don't know, I think I'm gonna go in break the video part into this the 3 different parts. Maybe for those that like specific cars, you're gonna be able to see them in the same video. It's crazy. It's like the Jetsons or something. Again, this is a very expensive car just chilling in LA right now. It's pretty crazy to think.
Good? You like it?
I made 90 of these. I sold 30 already.
Oh! That's a circle because that's the color.
That's the blue.
Yeah, that's the color. Actually, I was just copying.
It's almost like this car has the same engine. Well, no.
Yahira.
Yeah, Yahira, right? It's beautiful. All the ponies. Hey, I want you guys to be honest in the comment section. Do you guys want me to just do... To me, I don't like when somebody's just like recording and not saying anything. I like having a conversation.
Everything. No, it's like for the light.
Oh, just the headlights?
Like out of state car. I mean, it depends. I've gone to Chicago.
Oh shit. What's your how much do you charge? Like,
Look at all these cars, man. Just it's 2002, just beautiful. Oh, look at the interior. Hopefully you guys can catch it. With the M3 colors. It's the details, man. It's all the little details. Let's show some love to our Lifted brothers here. Not Automotive Anatomy, we don't discriminate. We'll do off-roading as well. Maybe I should reach out to somebody who has a lifted truck or car. I'm not like into it as much. I like it though. I like it, but I'm not willing to go and actually get something myself and lift it and do all those things. But then again, I've never been rock climbing. I never been out in the trails. Maybe I really would enjoy it. It's beautiful. So yeah, like I said, hopefully they make more shows like this because this is definitely so much fun. Shh, look at that. Yep, it's beautiful. And I can always recognize Gabe by his voice. That's Gabe. That's the guy that posted it. This is beautiful. And then right on time. His engine bay is just beautiful. Perfect. I mean, his fitment is probably my favorite fitment. But then the engine component. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. I told you it was gonna be hella packed, bro. I told you it was gonna be hella packed.
Thank you for the invite.
No worries, no worries. Yeah, so
Guys, man. Nice to meet you.
good to see you too, bro. Yeah, I saw it in there and I was like, he's gotta have a cupcake because if not, he would. Yeah.
Look at this. So this is Rival Gabe. This guy's been, you know, like I said, tribute emblem. One of the most, probably one of my favorite fitment, if not my favorite fitment. So he runs a company. He runs a company and they create banners. I'll show you guys the banners. I know some of you were asking last time. These are the banners that I meant. Super subtle. He also creates this side banners you can do, and he has shirts, and he has those Honda tribute emblem. They're old school stuff. He also has a couple more slabs. So much love. Thank you, Gabe. I appreciate it. If he's the one who invited me over to this event by posting it, I guess, and you know, he actually reached out and said, hey man, you'll like it. So thank you, Gabe. So I'm in the quote-unquote market of getting in maybe a 3 Series, and this is the car that has inspired me to, and it's nothing like an M3, no, it's like the most basic 320. I just need a daily, and I kind of want to step out of the comfort zone and try something different, like a BMW. And I don't know, I found one, decent miles, decent price. Thing's huge. Holy shoot. This thing is massive. Wow.
Thank you for coming.
Wow. That thing is massive. Look at this E30. God, I love this M3. So anyways, I was saying that this is the tire and wheel fitment that might inspire me to get that 3 Series, and thanks to this car, I think I'm gonna get it. I might go get the 3 Series. Super clean. Obviously power won't be there, but that's okay. Damn. Okay, so this is how crazy it is. I'll get to Moist cars right now. Look at these cars, man. It's just the level of detail. Insane. Look at that. Just perfect. Oh, again. These wheel and tire fitments are insane. Wow. Just, these M cars, something else, man. This is insane. This is absolutely the 265 35 19. So 19-inch wheels. I'm already looking for wheels for a car that I don't have. Wheels does that. What the hell is this? Fuck. This is like, okay, so I guess the car wasn't expensive enough by itself. Now let me wide body it and add all this crazy stuff. This is amazing. Holy crap, look at those calipers and I'm super fanboying. Would I own one of these cars? I think if I had like stupid amount of money, maybe. But this is insane. Like holy shit. Look at those freaking rotors. Puta maíz. Look at that. Oh man. Yeah, big props and big shout outs to all the companies. I know this is not just a one person thing, as you can tell. That's his Instagram. Just crazy. Just crazy. It's insane. Sorry. It's insane. Look at this big body. A little shoe. It's awesome. Oh, I love this color. If I'm not mistaken, this guy resprayed the car because I don't think there's any of this color this generation. But again, I don't know M3, so. And obviously the sedan M3s is my thing. Beautiful. Oh, this yellow M3 is beautiful. Wow. Again, I talk so much smack on the T37s, but they just work. They look so beautiful in all the cars. So, iconic wheel. This interior. It's insane. Excuse me, sorry. And then, last but not least, the homie Moy Accord. Again, going back to the rival machine. If you guys are interested, not saying you guys need to go buy, just check it out. Rival underscore machine, rival underscore Gabe. Just check it out. Super humble guy. You know, he's one of the biggest supporters, you know, from the beginning, and I have nothing but love for that guy. Super humble guy, a super humble guy for his badass S2000, and just the, you know, the personality. This car, we're gonna do a interview next week. So this guy's crazy because this guy drives from very far, Bakersfield, and he's here today for this, and hopefully he makes it out for next weekend, and we'll meet up somewhere in LA, so we can shoot. I think that's it. Saw the coverage. Going with the 3 Series, guys. I don't know. Go out of my comfort zone. If I can't find a 90s Honda, I think I'm gonna go back and pick up that 320. And in the BMW world, that's like the Civic DX of the 90s, like the most simplistic, but even the most simplistic BMW is pretty equipped. So, and again, it's a different animal, it's a different type of car for me. It'd be a new experience, but it's nothing, none of the fast cars at all. But those cars have definitely been a nice inspiration, and man, just looking at them, it's like, huh, there's something to it. Other than that, thank you guys so much for the support. I can't thank you guys enough. 2020 is gonna be our year, even bigger and better. I have so many goals for the channel, for myself. So muchísimas gracias. Thank you so much, and you guys have a wonderful day.